Hello, I'm Dupiton with At Home Downtown at Keller Williams, and today I'm going to talk about some do's and don'ts of home inspections. Stay tuned. So whenever you talk about home inspections, people watching, I'm sure you're thinking this is going to be for home buyers. And we do have some do's and don'ts coming for home buyers, but this first one is for sellers. If you are about to list your home, do consider getting a pre-listing inspection done on your home. It seems like it's, an unnecessary cost, but it really is a great way to find out how a buyer is eventually going to view your home, what issues are going to come up that you're not expecting, because there's no perfect home, and have an opportunity to really address those things, or at least keep them in mind in preparation for the post-contract inspection negotiation discussion. If there are things that you can take care of inexpensively or even yourself, it's preferable to do that, because once a buyer is requesting inspection repairs from you, they're usually going to require a licensed contractor or something like that. So if you can take care of things up front, it's a win for everybody involved. This one is for buyers. Buyers, the first do is have a home inspection done. Even if the property is new construction or it just seems like it's in great condition, don't convince yourself that you don't need a home inspection. The inspection will, among other things, in terms of finding any red flags with the property, it will also sort of become as close as you're going to get to an owner's manual for the home you're about to purchase. So please get those done. And if there are specific issues that require a specialized inspection, like mold or radon or lead is a concern based on the inspection that you got, please do have those specialized inspections done as well. It's really important to know what you're getting yourself into. Okay, this is a big one. Don't expect a resale home to be returned to brand new condition as part of your inspection process for an older home. There is no perfect home, even if it is new construction, but in particular with a resale home, you'll be surprised maybe with the number of things that do come up on an inspection report. However, relatively few of those things are going to, fall into the realm of a major issue. And when you go into it with the expectation that a seller is going to fix everything that's wrong with the property or bring everything on a home that is 50 years old into current code condition compliance, it's just not realistic and it's likely not going to happen. So make sure you have the right expectations going in. Another do for buyers is hold on to that inspection after closing. Even when you're done with the post-contract negotiations with the seller, you're going to want to hold on to that inspection report because you can use it as your punch list of items that you should repair or look into or prepare for after you close on the home. Don't just let it become buried in your email inbox or toss it in a drawer. You really want to keep track of those items that you need to complete. Otherwise, they'll become an issue for you in 5 years or so when you decide to sell. Okay, those are the do's and don'ts of home inspections. I hope you learned a little bit. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Chicago, please do get in touch. Send me an email or give me a call. You can even text me. My name is Dupiton with At Home Downtown at Keller Williams, and I'll speak with you again soon. Take care.